Imagine a world where you can buy a brand new Apple computer for less than the price of a pair of AirPods Pro. It sounds like a fever dream, right? But that dream is becoming a reality faster than anyone expected. Right now, Apple's brand new MacBook Neo is absolutely crushing every sales record in the book. Apple initially thought they'd sell maybe 7 million units. They were wrong. The demand was so insane they had to rush an order for 10 million more just to keep the shelves from going empty. This $599 machine just proved one thing. The world is hungry for affordable Apple tech. But what if I told you Apple is planning an even bigger move? What if they released a colorful, ultra-compact Mac Neo desktop for just $299? Today, we are diving into the 7 features that would make this the best-selling desktop PC in human history. The first and most important feature is the price. At $299, this machine would be unbeatable. Apple Insider and other industry experts believe this price point is actually possible for a desktop that uses mobile-based architecture. Right now, it is basically impossible to find a high-quality budget desktop for $300. Even the experts at Linus Tech Tips tried to build a DIY PC that could compete with the M from Mac Mini for $600, and they simply couldn't make the numbers work. If you build it yourself, you still have to deal with part compatibility, bulky cases, and the headache of Windows licenses. A $299 Mac Neo would completely dominate the market. It would be the cheapest way to get a reliable computer, and it would come with that premium aluminum design Apple is known for. This is the no-brainer purchase. It's the instant recommendation for your grandma or your uncle who is tired of their slow, dusty Windows tower. You give them this, and they'll never call you to fix a software glitch again. It just works. Performance is where this gets really exciting. Even though it's a budget model, it would likely feature the upcoming A19 Pro chip. We've already seen how the A18 Pro in the current MacBook Neo handles daily tasks. It has incredible single-core performance, which is the secret sauce for a fast-feeling computer. When you click a link or open a web app, it feels instant. The A19 Pro will take that even further with faster multi-core speeds and dedicated ray tracing cores. For $300, you aren't getting a slow computer. You are getting a machine that feels faster than Windows PCs that cost twice as much. It's the perfect balance of efficiency and power. But before we get to the next feature, I have to tell you about a tool that has been a total game changer for my workflow. I've been using an incredible AI agent called Chat LLM by our sponsor Abacus AI. It's like a superpower for your productivity because it combines all the top models like ChatGPT 5.4, Gemini 3.1, and Claude Opus 4.6 into one single place. You even get AI image generation and video tools like Sora 2 and Kling 3. I actually used their deep agent to rebuild my side business's website in just a couple of evenings without knowing a single line of code. It's live right now and already bringing in clients. It's only $10 a month, and if you use the link in the description, your first month is just $7. Now, let's talk about the hardware bottleneck that usually kills budget PCs, the RAM. The A19 Pro chip is expected to come with 12 GB of RAM as the new standard. This is a massive deal. The current 8 GB limit on entry-level Macs can sometimes feel tight when you have 20 browser tabs and a video call running at the same time. On a fresh restart, Mac OS uses about 5 GB of memory. With only 8 GB total, you hit a wall very quickly, forcing the system to use swap memory on the SSD. But moving to 12 GB changes everything. It gives you 6 GB of free memory instead of 2 GB. That is 3 times the headroom for multitasking. It means no more frozen tabs and no more stuttering when you switch between apps. The design of the Mac Neo could also be a total game changer. Since it uses an iPhone class chip, it doesn't need a massive fan or a huge power supply. Apple could put this in a chassis the size of an Apple TV 4K. It would be so small you could literally put it in your pocket. You wouldn't need a massive desk anymore. Just plug in an HDMI cable, a power cord, and two USB-C cables, and you are ready to go. It's the ultimate minimalist setup. Despite its tiny size, it would also be a budget gaming beast. People are already running games like Cyberpunk on the MacBook Neo using translation layers like Crossover. With the A19 Pro's 40% boost in graphics performance, this $300 box could easily handle retro emulation and modern titles at respectable frame rates. You're looking at a console-sized PC that can actually play real games. On top of the specs, Apple would likely lean into the Neo branding by offering vibrant colors. Think about the citrus or blush colors that are currently sold out on Amazon. A Mac Neo sitting on your desk in a bright blue or orange would look incredible. It turns a boring tool into a piece of art. You could even pair it with matching colorful Magic keyboards and mice to complete the look. Finally, this move would actually help solve the global memory shortage. By optimizing these budget machines to do more with 12 gigabytes of RAM, Apple saves millions of gigabytes of memory that can be used for high-end pro machines. It's a win for the environment and a win for the supply chain. If Apple pulls this off, the desktop PC market will never be the same. In my opinion, the Mac Neo is the most logical step Apple can take. We are living in a time where people want simplicity and value over raw, expensive power. A $299 Mac Neo in just a computer. It's a gateway for millions of people to enter the Apple ecosystem without breaking the bank. It solves the tech support headache for families and provides enough power for 90% of users. It effectively kills the budget Windows market overnight because nobody can compete with Apple's vertical integration at this price. If this launches, it won't just sell well, it will change how we think about budget computing forever. It is the missing piece of the puzzle that makes the Mac accessible to everyone on the planet. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.